how to enable disappearing messages on Messenger. So if you want to enable disappearing messages on your Messenger application, then first you need to open up your Messenger and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you can simply go to your profile or a chat, whichever chat that you're comfortable with. And here, for example, I have this person. So go for the chat and then go for the upper right, which has that eye icon, and then scroll down, and here you will have disappearing messages option. Tap on disappearing messages, and then here you have turned that off, right? So you need to simply go for 24 hours, and now your disappearing messages have been turned on. So that's how you can turn on the disappearing messages, or that's how you can enable. And now if you send a message within 24 hours, that message will be deleted or that message will be removed from Messenger. So that's how you can enable disappearing messages on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.